how you can save insert draft video in gallery. So on this process, you will have to open the insert and simply here you have to click on this video section just on the first. So simply click on this video. Here you can see all of your draft videos. Like in my case, I have 3 draft videos. Like yes, I want to download this video on my gallery. So after clicking on this 3 dot, I can only find the option like delete, copy and rename. So here is no any option to save it directly to my gallery. So to save the video in gallery, you will have to open the video and here you can find the export option just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply click on that export option and here you have to choose the resolution, frame rate and format to save it to gallery. So simply I'm exporting it. So the video has been successfully downloaded to the gallery. So likewise, you can also download the Inshot draft video to your gallery. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.